Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. It's the 3rd of January in Kusadasi, and what a beautiful day it is here today. The sun is shining, the weather's around about 15-16 degrees. Beautiful day. So let's have a walk through the town and let's see what's going on, what's open, what's closed. Let's have a look. There's a slight breeze today, nice and cool breeze, but the temperature, as I said, it's around 16 degrees. Really, really nice day. Still quite a lot of people out. There's some work going on down Sevgi Sokak. Yuka restaurant closed, as it is this time of the year, for a couple of months, for about 3 months. Sales on everywhere. Here we go, t-shirts from 100 lira. 100 lira is about £2.50, about €3. Sweatshirts from 200 lira. This is supposed to be a pedestrian way, but as you can see, motorcycles, they tend to ignore this rule. Good time to buy shoes, handbags, stuff like that. The prices are very, very good at this time of the year. I can't get in there to show you, but the old Belvedere, the new park they are building, the work is going on, and when it's finished, I know it's going to be absolutely amazing. But unfortunately they've got the fence all the way around, so I can't get in there to show you how far they've got with it at the moment. Happy Wife, everything in here, 400 lira. Any bags you want, they're on sale here, 400 lira. Some nice bags here. Center Restaurant and Four Brothers Restaurant, they are closed now. They will be opening again in March, towards the end of March. Hello, how are you? Happy New Year, my friend. Happy New Year to you. So Buddha Cafe is still open. Ephesus restaurant, there is work going on. So this restaurant again will open up probably end of March. As you can see, most of the restaurants are still open. Only a few of the big restaurants that rely on pure tourism, they shut down for a few months, but pretty much everything else stays open. The renovation work going on at Fancy Jewelry. Let's take a walk through these little side street here, and we end up in Orient Bazaar. Some restaurants up there. Now these type of restaurants in the back streets there, they do shut down for a few months. Orient Bazaar, as there's no ships in today, most of the shops in here are closed. So let's have a look at the Grand Bazaar next door and see if it's the same situation. When the ships are in, then all these shops are open. Now it's the same with the Grand Bazaar. Let's go towards Aegean port, and then we can go through Fisherman's Square and see what's going on there. So let's cut across the road. So we go through Casa Musta, a nice fish restaurant. Nice fish. Another nice restaurant is Tankoi. So this is the time for renovations. Get ready for the season. Fish market. Let's have a look in there and see what kind of fish they have here today. This is the place to come to if you want fish. Wow, it looks so fresh and nice. Very nice. These two fish restaurants here, they tend to get very busy. Here you can grab a fish sandwich, like fish sandwich 50 lira. 50 lira, you're talking €1.5 or 1.6 euros. So here we are along the seafront. Kusadasi always feels strange when there's no ships in. I mean, Kusadasi is not Kusadasi without the ships, and we are fortunate that 12 months of the year we do get the cruise liners coming in. And along here you'll find lots and lots of fishermen. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed our little walk through the town on 3rd of January 2024. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out a lot. So until next time, my friends, take care, stay safe, and I wish you all a very happy, healthy and a prosperous new year. Take good care. Bye for now.